Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Start by opening Play Store and typing repos for Instagram. Now you can download this app from this developer. Open it and go into your Instagram. Select the photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click at the three dots at the top right corner of it. Then choose Share to and tap on Repost app. Now you can go back to it and click on one of these options, for example that one. Now select the photo by tapping on it and remove the label by clicking on the square icon. Now you can finally download it by tapping on the middle button. So if I go into my gallery, I can see that my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!